1.
Oh, that's so cool. Hey guys, it's
Cassidy.
and it's Ruby, and today we're going to be doing paper towel magic. Basically, you want a bowl, permanent markers, paper towels,
And some water. So what you're going to do, you're going to get 1 paper towel with 2 sheets.
yeah. So you're going to fold it, and then
You are going to draw on the top here. Underneath, you're going to do a pattern here. When you fold it back, you place it in the water and it will come up with the picture from the bottom and the picture from the top.
And where did you watch this video?
from Ryan's
Ryan's
World. If you haven't seen him, he's a very famous little kid, and yeah.
I think everybody's seen him.
Yeah,
he's very
He's
famous.
very famous.
What do you think you're going to draw?
Peppa Pig.
Uh,
So right now, we're going to colour our paper towels.
I'm gonna do a circle. I did a weird circle, guys.
Is excited for the Easter Bunny?
Yeah. I wish I had seen the Easter Bunny. So we're done our pictures, and yeah.
Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to see all the Instagram shout-outs.
So now we're gonna grab the plate.
Spill.
And make sure you have the perfect amount. So then you want to grab your napkin and put it in.
Whoa! Yours looks so cool.
That looks awesome.
Ruby's turned out really good, so I'm excited for mine.
Just have to shake it off. Shake it off.
I am very excited for mine, guys, as it took a very long time. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god.
What does the back look like, guys? Ooh, it looks pretty. I really don't want to put mine in the
Pizza
bin.
and
That
patty.
looks so good.
We're going to keep these actually. So we're going to like put them outside.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
mine.
Really going to keep that?
Guys, look at mine.
Gonna grab the water again and then pour it on.
Just be careful it comes down here, so you've got to pour it quick.
So I'm now gonna dip mine. Oh, wow, that's so nice. Well,
3,
I'm dipping it around.
2, 1. Wow, that looks cool. It's like jumpy. It's like a waterbed. That's my turtle. He looks very cool.
That is cool.
Okay, this time I'm not going to scrunch mine
But
up.
mine has a lot of detail. Like it has a muddy puddle, a butterfly, a balloon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go over to our Instagram
And follow us.
Thanks for watching.